In April of 1815, a mountain in Indonesia cleared its throat. What happened next was the largest eruption in recorded history, and it cancelled summer. The mountain was called Tambora, and when it blew, it didn't just erupt, it emptied itself. 150 cubic kilometers of rock blasted miles into the sky. But the rock wasn't the problem. The problem was what went higher. Tiny droplets of sulfur flung into the upper atmosphere, spread out on the winds, until they wrapped a thin veil around the entire planet. And that veil did something quiet and terrible. It dimmed the sun. The following year, 1860, is remembered by a chilling name. The year without a summer. In New England, snow fell in June. Frost killed the crops in August. Across Europe, harvests failed. Bread ran out. People rioted for food. A volcano on the other side of the world had reached into every kitchen on the continent. But here's where the story turns strange and almost beautiful. That gloomy, endless rain summer, a group of friends were trapped indoors by a lake in Switzerland. To pass the dark days, they had a contest. Who could write the scariest story? One of them was a teenager named Mary Shelley, and she wrote Frankenstein. The most famous monster in history was born from a volcano ruining the weather. And it didn't stop there. With no summer, the oat crops failed. Horses starved. So a German inventor, needing a way to get around without a horse, built the very first bicycle. And the ash in the sky? It scattered the light into unreal, blood-red sunsets. Sunsets a painter named Turner made immortal on canvas. One mountain. It reshaped the weather, the harvests, our art, our stories, and how we get around. Most people have never even heard its name. But Tambora is a reminder. The whole world is far more connected than it looks. Even the sun answers to a mountain.